Yeah, hi. This is Vinayak Jait. I'm heading this sales manager position in this company, and my company name is Exact Private Limited. And we are working. We are established in 1986. Okay, last 35 years in this same industry. We are manufacturer of the laboratory weighing balances, and we have our own plant that is in Naigaon, where we have our own R&D team, QC team, QA team. So we do manufacture these balances to all India pharmaceutical companies. We mainly heading the PCF division, that is pharma chemical food. So all India pharma chemical foods we are handling a very good customers. The company like Cipla, Lupin, Pfizer, Ranbaxy, Arbindo, Brook Pharma, Neon Laboratories, Huron Drugs. So all are the big pharma companies. We supply the weighing balances as per their requirement with the IQPQ documents. Also we have a 21 CFR compliance which used for the United States of Pharmacopy as per their requirement. So that also we are doing. Also we have the branches all over India, that is in Ahmedabad, Delhi, then Jaipur, then Gujarat, and this Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and our head office that is in Andheri, in SIBS, where we have our own R&D team also, as I said earlier. And we have around 250 plus staffs, where we have our own setups for the QC room also and the temperature room. So any balances which require the temperature room, so we have a temperature rooms also to set up the balance, to set up the quality of the balances. Also we do the exports, say 80 plus countries, and we have our own offices that is in China, Dubai and Thailand, which are sales and service people. About the India, again the same, all the metro cities, what I said, that we have the branch offices, where also we have the sales and service engineers. So after sales, we can give the service support also. So also we have the CMC, MC service also. So once the 12 months service period is warranty period is over, so you can have our AMC and a CMC service also. And our balances customer using from more than 20 years. Initially we is known as a Citizen Scale, but in the 2016, as we do exports, so we changed our name as an Exact. So from 2016 we are now in Exact. The company management is the same. This company headed by our honorable chairman, that is Mr. CV Shah, Chandrakant Shah, and with the three directors, Mr. Sanjay Shah, Hemal Shah and Viral Shah. We have three departments, that is one industry department, jewelry department and export department, and all the three brothers are take care of this thing. So we are doing this thing from last 35 years and we are growing the same in the market also. Thank you. Okay, I joined this company say 6 years back, and when I joined, that time I saw ki, in Indian market I see ki, in a pharmaceutical company, people are looking at weighing balances with the Indian make. And we are the company who has manufactured these things as an Indian with a sales and service support. Because whenever you buy anything, you require the sales support also. So after sales, we have a service support, as we have every branch in a service engineers also. So people are liking the things, even the spare parts. If you are taking anything as in from out of India, you are not getting a spares easily. For us is like we can do the spares easily available, say 48 hours to 72 hours. So that's after sales, you will get any mechanical problem, any technical problem, you will get the spare parts also easily. So that is our unique ASP for the selling the products, because if you give the service, we will get the customers, and that's the policy we are doing for our all the customers which we are handling for the pharma chemical foods. And if I say ki last 6 years I met many pharma customers. We are doing the exhibitions like CPHI PMAC, that is in Delhi, then Analytic Anacon India Lab Expo, that is in April, in BK's NESCO Bombay Exhibition Centers. Then here in say Hyderabad, that is in High Tech Center. We do the shows like Anutech, Putech, Ahar. So all the big shows we are doing with this company, and we are getting very good support, because as we said ki make in India, what our honorable Prime Minister say, Mr. Narendra Modi. So we are following the same tagline as in make in India, and we are getting the same promotions from them also, and we are getting very good response. So thank you very much.